Chopper gunner. Oh, it's a Lancaster. It's a Lancaster bomber. But like I say, thank you for watching anyway. I appreciate it when someone comes and says hello. Yeah, man, but... Sweet, mate. What was that, Wolf? Sorry, what's the matter?
Yo, just shut his fucking old throw clean up.
Is he alright?
What the cause of his fight? He was okay, yeah, he had no glasses.
I was expecting something a bit more dramatic. Yeah.
Joe's on a budget.
Right. I don't know, he's standing behind the tree holding his gun out.
The one with the orange gun?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh. What the fuck is he doing then? Sorry, buddy.
No, you don't know see. Oh my god. Look, can you see that one that's pulled back there? Oh, fuck.
Dead man can't talk.
Admire it though, you know what I'm saying?